Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram messages swipe reply not working. So process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Play Store mobile application and from here you have to search for the Instagram, and once you will search for it you have to update from it here. Moreover, go back and go to the settings of your phone. Now you have to search for the apps and the notification. After that, you have to open the Instagram application from here and click on the storage and the cache, and you have to clear your storage from here. Moreover, open your Instagram mobile application and go to your profile from the right bottom from here, and you will see page like this. Now click on these three lines on the right top and now go to the settings. And from here you have to click on the help, and here you have to click on the report a problem. Now you have to click on the send feedback, and here you have to write your issue and upload your screenshot from here and click on the submit. Once you will do it, your problem will resolve. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.